today in this video I'll be showing you guys what's inside my backpack. So this is how my backpack looks like. It's in pink color and you guys can see it's pretty simple, other than the fact that it has like this cute little keychain on the front side. So first of all, I'll show you guys what's inside my front compartment. So you guys can see this backpack has like two pockets on the front. So first pocket is like this flat one which is magnetic, and the other one is like a zipper one. So in the magnetic pocket, you guys can see I carry my essential kit. So this essential kit has like hand wash, some painkillers and some bandages. So yeah, that is it for the essential kit. In the other compartment, that is the zipper one, I usually carry my perfume and my power bank. So you guys can see this is such a cute power bank. It's in blue color. So it also has like this cute cloud going on. So it's so cute and so nice. So it's a must to carry because you don't know when you run out of power or battery. So the other thing that I carry is this perfume, and it's a mini perfume and it's so cute. So these two are a must to carry. So now let's move on to the big pocket. So it opens up like this, and then it has like a zipper kind of thing. So in the main pocket, I usually carry around a lot of stuff, but it also depends on the need of the classes because we have different subjects and different subjects require different material. According to the need of the classes, you have to carry different stuff, as we'll be starting like graphic designing this semester. So we have to carry a laptop and iPad for illustration as well. So that is up to the classes what I carry in my backpack. So first thing first, let me show you guys what's inside my pencil case. And yeah, I just carry two pencil cases because art student vibes, like you have to carry loads of stuff. So like you have to carry two pencil cases. So the first pencil case that I carry is this one. It's clear from the front. It has this like cute little cartoon, and the same cartoon is in the charm form. So yes, it is so cute. It's in pink color, really nice. So opening this one up, you guys can see I carry different stuff in it. Like it has all the basic stuff. It has like milk liners and some of the pencils, like drawing pencils and fine liners for designing work and gel pens and stuff like that. So also has like mechanical pencils, so all the basic stuff that you need for drawing as well as designing. So this one has it, and it's really cute, nice, and all the stuff just fits in it. So the next pencil case that I carry is this one. So it is a really nice large capacity pencil case, and it's in beige color, which is really nice. It's simple, minimalistic. So opening this case up, you guys can see it has loads of stuff because it's a large capacity case. So I carry my fine liners, like highlighters, and it also has like ruler, gel pens, and cutter, post-it notes of two different types, and my lead for pencil. Also has like paper clips and stuff like that. So all the stuff that you really need. It also has like this mini stapler, you guys can see. So lastly, I carry this compass set, and yeah, that is it for what I have in this pencil case. Next thing that I carry is an essential, which is a water bottle. So this is how my water bottle looks like, and it also has like this rubber handle, so you can just carry it around. And my side compartment is actually too small to fit this water bottle, so that is why I just keep it inside my bag. So yeah, that is it. Next thing that I carry is my wallet, and this one is an essential. So I used to carry like another wallet, but that one is now really dirty, and it's so cute. It's shiny, reflective, and you can put your cards as well as like the money inside. So yeah, that is it. So other things are these rulers. So I have this architectural scale as well as this steel one. So yeah, two rulers. So another thing that I carry is like my AirPods, and these are essential because everyone carries them and they're a must. So yes. Other thing are the notebooks, because why not, you have to write the notes and everything like that. So these are the mini notebooks for writing all the lists and stuff like that. So first thing, I have this really cute notebook. It has like a girl and it says Blossom Season. So the other one is like lemon soda one, and it's so cute. You guys can see it has like the bubbles and stuff like that. These notebooks also have like lined pages, which is really nice and really convenient for writing everything, because like these cute notebooks don't usually have lined pages. So yeah, lined pages are a win. Other than that, I also carry this huge notebook for different subjects. So this notebook is a 8 subject notebook. It also has like the dividers and stuff like that, and the title is so cute. It says every day is beautiful, even though every day is not, because of the university. Like every day is not beautiful in university when you're studying everything. So last thing that I carry is an essential, which is your phone. So I just carry my phone around everywhere because you can't go anywhere out without your phone. So this is my phone, and this is my phone case, and you guys can see like nothing special. So other thing that I told you guys earlier, that I do have to carry other things as well, but they depend on the classes that I have. For example, laptop or iPad for illustration and paints, other things like that. So yes, for now this is what my backpack has, like the essentials and stuff like that. So that is it for today's video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and please stay tuned for my sister's video. She will be making what's inside her backpack really soon. So yes, subscribe to her channel and like this video if you did, and comment down below which thing was your favorite and when you are starting school. Also follow us on our Instagram, and we'll catch you guys later in our next video. Till then, peace out.